Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about CSS Flexbox. So what is CSS Flexbox? So before the Flexbox layout model, there were four layout modes that were available. The first one we were having is block for the section web page. The second one is inline. Third one is table, and the last one we are having is position. So let me start one programming for you, then you will be able to understand it properly. So let me give you the div here. So with the help of div, I will provide one class name. For example, I'm going to write flex container. Okay. So inside this, I will provide the divs. Three divs I'm going to provide, or three or two divs I'll be providing. So here two, A, B, and one more I will provide, that is C. Let me write, okay. These are the few kinds of divs I have provided. I will just mention one more, that is of D. Okay. The four divs I have provided here. After that, what is going to happen? Now on screen, you can see that that particular div is working perfectly. And now on screen, what I will do, I will make some styling for this particular div I have created. Inside that styling, first I will mention the container name. So the first I will write is flex container. So I have to provide the flex container, and inside that I will provide the display as a flex. And then background color, whatever the color you want to choose. For example, I'm just writing light blue here. Okay. The few things I have provided. Now I want flex container and container, and then I will mention for the div what all the divs are mentioned, because the div is the child class for this, so child element for this. So then I will write background color, so I will mention light gray. Margin I will mention of 10 pixel. Padding I will create for this of almost 20 pixel, and then font size should be provided as a 30 pixel. So for example, okay, 2 em I will choose. So these are the few things I have mentioned. So let me just reload it. So no changes is happening. Why? Yeah, now you can see now it is working properly. Yeah. So these few kinds of changes is happening. That is how you can create a flex container. It will help. That is the method to create the flex container. This is the basic method. How can you create it? You must know how to create these kind of flex container. Okay. So it will, what you need to do is just flex. You just need to write display as a flex. There are so many basic properties for the flex container. What is the height? So let me, now I'm giving the direction as a column. So let's see what we will get the A, B, C, D option as a column. If you'll mention the row, you will get the row. So let me write row here, and then I will get as a row. So that is how you can provide it. Row reverse, if I'll get, right? So I will get in case of reverse method. So few kinds of properties that are available. That is how you can provide it. You can provide the flex direction, or the other more features of the flex you can mention. So here I have mentioned the main functions that are available. So let me just do that. In that case, what is going to happen is I have provided that much. So yeah, the next thing we are going to write is flex wrap. How can you provide the flex wrap if you're going to give any paragraph? So here I provided one paragraph, and now you will get all the paragraphs here. So these are the kind of features you can provide it. Let me just mention here the column. So in case of column also, you will get it like this. Yeah. So now on screen, if I provided the more features, I will get the columns like this. Let me just comment out the thing, and now I will get is at A, B, C, D and A, B, C, D again, because I have mentioned the four more option as the same way. So that is how you can get it. So these are the few kinds of features you can provide in the flex. Okay. Few more changes we can do inside the flex. So let me just comment it out this also, and then we'll see what all the things you can change it. Fine. After that, we will see, let me just write flex flow. Okay. So flex flow, I can give column and then column wrap. Now this is one more flow. So it should be of from the column side, it should be wrapped. Okay. So now on screen, you can see that it is coming in a column wrap position. So that is how the flow should be in the column way. If I am writing the row, then I am writing the justify content should be of center. So inside the center, I will get all the columns that I have provided. So that is how you can give it. Okay. So these are the few kinds of properties that are available in the Flex, and you can work on it. These are the easiest method to do the Flex. Once you try, you will get it. So that's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to CSS. Thank you so much.